and welcome back to Vacation Vibes. So we are in Miami. We just dropped into our hotel and we are one day away from boarding the Scarlet Lady with Virgin Voyages. But before we get to the cruise, I wanted to show you how I prep for a cruise. So today we flew in, always flying the night before. I don't care. Do not chance it, especially not in this climate with the airports, trying to come in the morning of. Alyssa and I flew into Fort Lauderdale. Even though we were porting out of Miami, Fort Lauderdale's airplane prices were significantly cheaper than Miami. And we caught an Uber over to Miami. It took about 45 minutes to get here. And it costs $46 for the Uber. Yeah, $46. That's gonna be your first tip in this video. This is also gonna be the ultimate birthday vlog. We got a lot of birthdays to celebrate, not just my own. I have a lot of people to introduce you to that are also celebrating a birthday this week. So let's get the vlog started, shall we? Baby, don't beg. Baby, don't beg on me. 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 So one thing that you guys ask me about all the time is how I pack for a cruise. I did not do a packing video this time, but I will show you what's in my suitcase. I packed light because I did fly in real budget. We flew in on Spirit. I made it, so it's okay. But they do have a 40-pound check bag limit, not the 50 pounds that I'm used to on Delta, so I did have to pack a little lighter. Okay, let's open this girl up. Let's start on the clothes side. First of all, packing cubes will save your life. Ladies and gentlemen, please go get packing cubes. Here's how I have it broken down. I have my going out, get cute clothes in this cube, okay? Y'all will see the options and the outfits as the cruise go along. And here I have my more casual clothing, shorts, t-shirts, things like that. In this bag, swimsuits and cover-ups. And then in this bag, I have workout clothes and pajamas. So that's kind of how I break up my clothes. And then in this small one, all my underwear, bras, socks all fit in there. So that's kind of how I pack my clothes. On this side is where all the miscellaneous stuff goes. So my toiletry bag is here. Easy. Shoe bag, so all my sandals, high heels, everything is in there. I also have a pair of slides to the side. My little, formal purse is here. I just have a random pair of sunglasses that should have made it into a smaller bag. And then I have an empty beach bag, which I just fold up and throw in there. I also have some hair tools, and that's it. That's what's in the big suitcase. Easy. Also, to keep things super light, I have the biggest book bag possible for Spirit and Frontier. They make you pay for your carry-ons. So the way to beat that is to bring a book bag because those are free. This satisfies their it's 18 by 14 by 8 measurements, and it expands past that. But if they have a problem with the measurements, don't expand it. Measure it without it being expanded, and you'll be fine. So in my bag, I keep like my electronics, the stuff that I want to keep on me, my laptop. I have my drone, my camera, which is in my hand right now. It comes in this camera bag that has my lenses and all that stuff in there. And then of course my wallet, my documents, all that, I put that in my bag. I also put my makeup in there just to keep this bag under 40 pounds. And it's small, and it weighs a couple of pounds, so it does take some poundage off of there. And so I have room left in the bag, and I also have room left in the suitcase in case I want to bring stuff home. Okay, so that's a quick rundown of how I pack for a cruise. It's nothing crazy. I didn't really bring nothing extra. I wanted to keep it real simple for this cruise. And yeah, if I ever bring anything special, I'll be sure to let you know. If you have any questions about things that you should pack, can you take it, can you not take it, drop them in the comments down below. So first things up, tonight we're gonna go meet up with my friend Olivia, who had her birthday on Sunday, and we're gonna have dinner with her. Anytime I'm here, you guys know, if you watch my channel, if you watch for a long time, y'all know Olivia. We're gonna go see the girl and enjoy some dinner. Oh, before we go, We have a perfect view of the cruise port. None of the ships are in right now because it's evening and they'll be in about 12 hours. But look at this. So Virgin is going to pull in right there. I'm like super excited to be able to see the cruise from a hotel. Actually, maybe I can even get some drone from the hotel. That's exciting. All right, before we head out to dinner, do you want a quick little hotel room tour? By the way, we're at the Holiday Inn, what is this? Port of Miami Holiday Inn, right across the street from Bayside Marketplace. So it's super convenient. All right, it's a hotel room. There it is. I gave you a rapid fire. Rapid fire, room tour, let's do it. Okay, entering the room, we go straight into the bathroom. Wow, we got a bathtub, we got a sink, toilet, mirror, sliding closet, 2 beds. There's Alyssa. Hey, TV, chair, desk, nice view. Got a couch, we got another chair, we got tables, Ferris wheel, cruise, traffic, and that's the room. Well, dinner happened so fast that I didn't get to show you Olivia, but she was tired, so we ate, we chit-chatted, we caught up, and then she bounced. But you guys know the vibes. But yeah, her birthday was on the 24th, so happy birthday to Olivia. We got 1 birthday person down, a couple more to go. We just ordered the Uber. We're gonna head back to the hotel, shower, go to bed, do our thing, and yeah, that's it for tonight. Good morning, guys. Excuse this sleepy face. It is 5:30 a.m. And it was certainly early enough to where I completely messed up my audio here, but I showed you my outfit. I'm telling you that I am headed to SoulCycle to surprise my friend Lee for his birthday, which happened to be that day on the 24th. You might remember Lee from my SoulCycle New York vlog. Yep, one of my teammates, and I wanted to surprise him. He had no idea I was on my way. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. My last name is Smith. I'm an instructor.
Okay.
From Atlanta.
From Atlanta.
Wow.
Do you want to ride today?
Yes, I do.
Perfect.
And, look at that. Look at this. Let's let him in. There we go. Oh, hello. Hi. Hey. Happy birthday.
Oh, good.
Look at the birthday king, y'all.
Oh my, hello.
Good morning.
Hi. Oh my God.
We've got 2 entire minutes here. We've got everything you need. Tell water waits. If you need any help setting up your mic, just flag us down.
Alright guys, so we got another piece of the girls trip. So we got Alyssa, us one. And then we got Deja.
Hey guys, I'm back.
We got her on a cruise, y'all. So exciting. So she met us here at our hotel. We're just hanging out in the lobby, and then we're gonna meet up with the other 2 girls of our girls trip. Can't wait for y'all to see who it is.
Hey bitches.
So as you can see, we went over to the most talked about breakfast restaurant in Miami. My first time here, and it doesn't disappoint, guys. It is located very close to the cruise port, so it's an easy stop before you head out on your way.
We got a little kids menu. No bacon at all, bitch. What a bacon, bitch.
Okay, we're back at the hotel. We grabbed our bags and we are headed out to the Uber, headed to Terminal B for Virgin Voyages. We excited. See?
have fun right over there.
Look who it is, y'all. Everybody's favorite. Hold on, you gotta focus.
Did you leave your bag already?
Yeah. Wait, hug again for the vlog. I missed it.
Ready? Okay, action. Oh my
Giving out free hugs over here. Watch this. Oh, they already started already.
No, he said we had to be good. I said,
Says who? He said, I bet I hear no stories. I'm like, oh. You might. With all of us combined? You might.
yeah, our porter told us to be good for this cruise. He said he didn't want to hear no stories. Well, you live and in tune to the first story, so story on. Look at Noah and me flirting already, y'all. Thank you.
Yo, if I get off this ship and Biden done cancel 20,000 of my loans, I swear to God, I'm gonna go to church that day and pray and praise Him. You recording me?
The boarding process at Virgin was super easy. The lines were not long at all. It took no more than 30 minutes from the time that we walked in to the time that we walked onto the ship. Just have your app ready and you'll be good to go.
Look at that! Hey, we are here! Happy birthday! Look, one's like, happy birthday! Hey, Daisy, how you doing? I'm chilling too. I love your fit. Thank you.
Our fifth person is here. It's the Jen Daniel experience. All right, so now you guys know who the 5 are. We're so excited to have some fun. You're gonna get so much good cruise content between myself, Noemi, and Jen. We're in a waiting room right now here at Virgin. The seats are comfy, right, Asia?
They are so comfy and it's so cute. Got a little sectional. So cute.
And look, they got pillows. Go through those doors. And we're on board. Say it! Say it!
Get on the ship. Get on the ship. On the ship, you do the dip. You do the dip like you're losing your hip. Lose your hip if you're doing the dip.
Okay guys, we are getting on the ship. We needed our wristbands to tap in. And the gangway is right around the corner. Deja, are you like so excited?
I'm so excited.
We've waited for so long.
Hello, beautiful creatures, and welcome to the Scarlet Lady. I am so excited that you're here to join us next few days. So welcome. Oh boy, got my good angle. It's a joke, they're all my good angle. Ow! Welcome aboard the beautiful Scarlet Lady, friends. We're excited to have us. Oh, you like that? You like that? You like all that leg? You're welcome. Ow! It's so exciting to have you on board. It's the next few days.
And we're
Next time on Vacation Vibes, we head straight up to the galley, a room tour, head over to the sailaway, and then we try out Pink Agave. See you guys on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Take it to Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind, oh, so give me your all.